See you won't let go. See you won't let go. Hello guys, so welcome to this new video tutorial. So in this video guys, I'm going to teach you how to play Say You Won't Let Go by James Arthur. Okay, so this is the super easy version of this song. So we are in a strumming version of this song. So if you want to learn the plucking pattern of this song, the plucking version of this song, so maybe soon I upload the plucking version for this song. Okay, so the first thing we need to do guys is of course, so we are in a standard tuning of the guitar, and we have using a capo for this song. So if you have a capo, so you put your capo in a third fret. So 1, 2, 3. So in the third fret, okay? So remember guys, so take note before we start. In this song, we have using only 4 easy chords. Okay? So only 4 easy chord guys for this song. And I'm sure that if you learn these 4 easy chords, you will definitely learn how to play this song. Okay. So let's start guys for the song. So I just want to play this song. So I'm trying to play this song for you guys. So for you to have idea for what we are going to teach. Okay. Okay. So let's try to play guys. When you look over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I want to dance with you right now. When you look at this world over, I swear that every day you get better. I will play this for somehow. Okay? Okay, so this is the song guys. So how to do it? Okay, so the chords for this song guys is on like I said before, so there are 4 easy chords only. So the chords are G, okay, so G, D, E minor, and C. So okay, so this is the chords guys for this song. So only 4 chords. Okay, so the first is G, D, E minor, and C. Okay, first the G. So this is 5th string, 2nd fret, 6th string, 3rd fret, and 2nd string, 3rd fret, and 1st string, 3rd fret. Okay, so this is the chord G. Okay, so next is the D. So the D chords guys is 3rd string, 2nd fret, 1st string, 2nd fret, and 2nd string, 3rd fret. Okay, so this is the D chords. Okay, so the 3rd one is the E minor. So E minor, this is 5th string, 2nd fret, and this is 4th string, 2nd fret. So this is the E minor guys. Okay, so the lastly is the C. Okay, so 2nd string, 1st fret. Okay, so 4th string, 2nd fret, and 5th string, 3rd fret. Okay, so this is the C. C. So how about guys the strumming pattern for this song? Okay, so I just give 2 strumming pattern for this song. So the first strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So again, one more time. So down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So guys, this is the first strumming pattern. So the second strumming pattern is much easier the first strumming pattern. Okay, so the second strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, down. Again, down, down, up, up, down, down. So much easier to the first, guys, no? So now we just try to sing the song, so play the song, but I can't play the whole song to avoid the copyright of this song. Okay, so we try to play the song. Okay, so if we use the first strumming pattern, it looks like this. So, but in this video, guys, for those beginner who wants to learn this song for the very easy way, so we have using the second strumming pattern for much better to easier to play. Okay. So now we try to play this song. So I can't sing the whole song, guys. So to avoid the copyright of this song, so we just play a little bit for the lyrics of the song. Okay. So let's play. Can you smile your shoulder? For a minute I was going to I pull you close to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I've already told you. I think that you should get some rest. So that's all for this video tutorial, guys. So this is the whole song of this video. So only 4 chords only. So the G, D, E minor, and C. So if you learn these chords, guys, so I'm very sure that you will definitely learn how to play this song, this Say You Won't Let Go by James Arthur. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. So if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell for this video, so that you are updated to the video that we'll be releasing for this channel. So that's all. Thanks again.